fans and visitors that make Killarney. Ready, set, swing!
Finnegan's Flyer is a thrilling attraction at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. One of the things that really makes it thrilling is the airtime experience that you have, that feeling of weightlessness as you go up from peak to peak, from one side of the ride to the other in our Ireland Village. It's absolutely astounding.
In Ireland, we have a lot to offer, restaurants and shows, a virtual reality ride, but what we didn't have was a nice visible ride as you come in that brings a lot of excitement and thrill to the area. So I think that's what Finnegan's Flyer does. Activates the area, brings a lot of excitement, a lot of buzz, and really will be a great addition to what already is a great village.